एक और अभी देशवासियों को कोरोना से निपटने में दिक्कत आ रही थी। एक और हम देख रहे थे कि किस प्रकार से गरीब, लाचार, दुखी किसान अपने अपने क्षेत्रों से अपने अपने गांव की तरफ जा रहा था, बड़े शहरों से गांव की तरफ जा रहा था। अब दूसरी ओर देखिए कि नीति का क्या विधान है। एक और प्राकृतिक आपदा, अ लोकस्ट अटैक। लार्ज पार्ट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया टुडे आर इन ए सिवियर लोकस्ट अटैक. What is a locust? A locust is basically from the family of grasshoppers. And what it does is that it has the ability to be in air over a prolonged period of time. And what it can do is it can completely damage any standing kharif crop. Look at Rajasthan, for instance. 16 of the total districts in the state today are officially under an attack of locusts. Just last week, the constituency of the neighboring state of Madhya Pradesh, in Budni, Shivraj Singh Chauhan's own constituency, that had come under a locust attack as well. You do feel for the poor farmer, don't you? जब आप सोचते हैं कि एक और इस तपती धूप में बेचारा किसान कहीं सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के बारे में सोचता है, कहीं ये सोचता है कि किस प्रकार से उसकी जो पैदावार है उसको उस पैदावार के लिए अब की बार पैसा कैसे मिलेगा, और वहीं दूसरी ओर एक और प्राकृतिक आपदा उसके सर पर नाचने लगती है। कहीं ना कहीं हमारे देश के पॉलिसी मेकर्स को यह समझने की जरूरत है कि अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे देश का किसान लगातार बम्पर फूड क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन करे, तो हमें उस किसान की देखरेख के लिए भी बातों से आगे बढ़कर कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा। UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, for instance, is already talking about a labor commission. It's a good step, but how will that play out? Does that labor commission, will it also help these farmers who may well be struggling via these locust attacks that we're looking at? Administrations of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, word is, they've already kept several fire tenders at hold because they're worried that if these locusts were to start getting the better of an already poor situation, then the plight of this poor Indian farmer will be something which will not be anything to write home about. You know what's the immediate threat? The immediate threat is कि जो मूंग दाल इस वक्त जो खड़ी पैदावार है किसान की, जो कि लगभग 8,000 करोड़ रुपए की है इन प्रदेशों में जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, 8,000 crores of standing crop could well end up being damaged if we don't take this problem of locust attack seriously. So what should the government be doing? On one hand, it has to figure out what should be done with lockdown 4.0. Should it be extended to lockdown 5.0? On the other hand, it has to figure out how to deal with the kind of impediments which are coming when it comes to flying. And then, along with that, needs to have a solution. Is there a solution for dealing with locust attack? These locusts who originate from far off Iran, from Sudan, travel all the way from Saudi Arabia, and then via Pakistan end up coming into India. When these attacks happen, what it leads to is that it leads to panic, it leads to chaos. And making matters worse is this, कि जब जब पारा चढ़ता है यानी तापमान बढ़ता है, यानी जितनी गर्मी बढ़ेगी उस बढ़ी हुई गर्मी में ये जो लोकस्ट हैं, इस प्रकार के इंसेक्ट्स, ये और ज्यादा घातक साबित होते हैं. They can be even more potent. That's why to the policy makers, yes, you may be looking at corona, but start looking at the reality of locusts as well.